how to contact customer support on UPS. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can contact customer support on UPS. To contact customer support on UPS.com is very simple. First thing to do is to ensure that you have a UPS account already. And then once you've created a UPS account, just log in into your account. And once you've logged in, on the home page, scroll down until you see this site. Yes, the option this site, or until you see the option contact us here, or you can come here to select it anywhere, whichever part you display you desire. Sorry, whichever part you desire. You can select contact us under quick links or under this site. This tutorial will be using contact us under quick links. Just click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be directed to the contact us page. On this page, you would see a write-up showing you that when you contact UPS, starts with our virtual assistant for immediate answers. If you still need help, we'll transition you to live chat, SMS text, or contact directly to a phone representative during normal business hours. So just go down, and then this is the virtual assistant here. So for you to continue, or for you to continue with contacting them, just click on this search box and then type out your question. All right, type out your question, and then once you type out your question, click on this send icon. Once you click on this send icon, the virtual assistant will provide you with a list of options. If you realize that the answer is not forthcoming, the virtual assistant will ask you if it was helpful. If not, click so or click this link to speak with a live agent. Just click on the link and then you'll be directed to a live agent. So this is how you can contact customer support on ups.com. Thanks for watching.